Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring a reliable backup and gaining immediate access. Make a local copy plus a cloud snapshot so you can restore if needed. Once done, close applications that may lock files, use Task Manager or Activity Monitor to force close hung processes. Then open the target folder and sort by modified date to prioritize which files to update first. This reduces accidental edits and speeds your workflow. You should edit on a copy or a branch so you can test without breaking production. Use Git or your cloud provider's versioning to commit descriptive messages and capture each logical change. While editing, validate file formats and dependencies to prevent downstream errors and run linters or built-in validators for quick feedback. Once satisfied with changes locally, stage and commit. Then push or merge so the updated files become the new base. You finish by syncing or pushing the updated files so they're accessible to others. Include a clear version tag in the file name or commit message. Once done, open the files in the target environment and perform functional checks. Preview, run, or validate to confirm everything behaves as expected. If something goes wrong, revert immediately to the backup or use version history to restore the previous state. This single troubleshooting tip saves time and prevents data loss when edits break functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.